Hi, Taylor here from Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and today we're going to be going over the Lawson vinyl application tape. It's great tape for applying vinyl. We have it in lots of different sizes, from small rolls that are just a couple inches wide to really big rolls for large vinyl applications. We use this product in-house here, so we're going to do a quick demo of how to use it on one of our vinyl applications. Using it is really simple. Just go ahead, apply it to your vinyl, get out all the bubbles, and then you'll be ready to go use. Line up your graphic, remove your backing, and then you're going to go ahead and apply your vinyl, smooth it out, and you are using the Lawson vinyl application tape. And it really is this easy and this simple to apply your graphic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use the Lawson vinyl application tape. Make sure to like our video and subscribe for more great tech tips.